A power station can handle your essentials today and still become the wrong purchase when you need another night of backup. Battery size is only part of the decision. Expansion ceiling, output power, compatible batteries, and weight determine whether the system can grow with you. These 5 picks range from a portable starter to serious home backup, so you can choose the right platform before paying for capacity you do not need. Starting the list is the OUPES Mega 1, the best fit for buyers who want expandable storage without beginning with a large, heavy system. Its base battery holds 1,024 watt-hours, while the inverter provides 2,000 watts of continuous AC output. That is enough for a refrigerator, lights, internet equipment, and other moderate loads, provided their combined demand stays within the unit's limits. OUPES states that 2 compatible B2 battery packs can raise total storage to 5,120 watt-hours. You can begin with the base unit, then add runtime later instead of replacing the system. At 28 pounds, it is the easiest unit here to move between the house, vehicle, and campsite. Its smaller starting battery is the trade-off and can run down quickly with higher draw appliances. Choose the Mega 1 if low weight and a lower commitment starting point matter most. Buyers planning large overnight loads should start with more capacity. Next is the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus, a better fit for buyers who value battery flexibility, solar input, and backup power for home office equipment. It begins with 1,024 watt-hours and delivers 1,800 watts of standard AC output. EcoFlow lists compatibility with several smart extra battery options, allowing total storage to reach approximately 5 kilowatt-hours. This lets you keep the main unit portable and add a larger battery only when needed. The Delta 3 Plus also supports 2 solar inputs with up to 1,000 watts combined. For computers and networking equipment, the manufacturer lists a transfer time below 10 milliseconds, giving it a useful secondary role as a long runtime UPS. The limitation is the 1 kilowatt-hour base battery. Heating, cooling, and other high-draw loads can use it quickly, while expansion batteries add significant cost. Choose the Delta 3 Plus if you want a lightweight main station with a flexible battery ecosystem. AC200L provides a stronger starting point without giving up future expansion. Its 2,048 watt-hour battery is paired with 2,400 watts of continuous AC output. That gives you more room for refrigerators, tools, microwaves, and some air conditioners, provided their running load and startup surge remain within the station's limits. For compatible RV setups, the dedicated 30-amp outlet is a major advantage. It offers a simpler connection than relying on a standard household outlet and adapter. Depending on the compatible batteries used, BLUETTI says the AC200L can expand to as much as 8,192 watt-hours. That makes it a practical bridge between portable power and a larger RV or home backup system. The compromise is weight. This is movable backup power rather than a unit most people will carry frequently. It also uses a proprietary AC charging cable, which is less convenient to replace than a standard cord. Choose the AC200L if you want a balanced 2 kilowatt-hour starting point or a built-in RV connection. The Anker SOLIX F3000 is designed for buyers who expect their power station to become part of a much larger solar or generator supported system. It starts with 3,072 watt-hours and provides 3,600 watts of AC output, enough to support several essential home loads together instead of rotating every appliance individually. Its expansion ceiling is the main reason to buy it. Anker states that the system can grow to 24 kilowatt-hours with compatible battery packs. It also supports high solar input and generator-assisted charging, which can be valuable during an extended outage. Built-in wheels and a telescoping handle help with positioning. But at close to 100 pounds, the F3000 is best kept in a garage, RV base camp, or planned emergency location. A single F3000 serves 120-volt loads. A paired configuration and additional equipment are required for 240-volt appliances. Choose the F3000 if maximum expansion, solar recharging, and long outages are central to your plan. It is not the right choice for frequent lifting or buyers who need 240 volts from one unit. Taking the top spot is the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus. It does not have the highest expansion ceiling here, but it offers the strongest overall balance of starting capacity, mobility, a 30-amp connection, and a clear path into serious home backup. Base capacity is 3,584 watt-hours, with 3,600 watts of continuous output and 7,200 watts of surge capability. That provides a practical foundation for refrigerators, communications equipment, lighting, and selected kitchen appliances during an outage. The unit includes standard household outlets and a 30-amp connection. Jackery also adds wheels and a retractable handle. At about 77 pounds, it is still large, but easier to reposition than the heavier Anker. 3600 modules can raise total storage to approximately 21 kilowatt-hours. You can begin with enough energy for shorter outages, then add modules when more runtime becomes necessary. A single unit is intended for 120-volt loads. Jackery states that 2 compatible units can be paired for 240-volt applications, but that requires more equipment and a much larger investment. Use the HomePower 3600 Plus if you want a strong all-around platform for long-term home backup. Buyers who only need occasional refrigerator or weekend trip power can save money and weight with a smaller system. For the quickest decision, choose OUPES for the lightest starting point. EcoFlow is the better fit for UPS support and battery flexibility. BLUETTI makes the most sense for RV use, Anker for maximum expansion, and Jackery for the easiest all-around path into serious home backup. Current product links are in the description, where you can check today's prices and availability. Subscribe to Smarty Choices for more practical buying guides on home backup, RV, camping, and off-grid gear.